Hello children, class 2 GK. The book name is Mind Express. Now by P.B. Lakshmi, I am going to teach you lesson 18. Lesson 18, Let's Dance. Here are some of the major dance forms of India. The first one is Bharatanatyam. In the red letter spelling is given. Bharatanatyam is one of the oldest dance forms of India. It is from Tamil Nadu. From where? Tamil Nadu. This dance Bharatanatyam is famous and the oldest dance. The second one is Kathak, is a dance from North India. Kathak from where? North India dance, Kathak dance. You can see the picture. This is the Kathak dance. Now, the third one is Odissi. Here, always you are watching Odissi dance. That Odissi dance is an ancient dance form of India. It originated in the temples of Odisha. From where? This state only, Odisha state. The name of the dance is Odissi. This is ancient dance, very long before dance. Now the fourth one, you can see the picture, the Kathakali. Kathakali dance originated from the southern Indian state of Kerala. It is performed by men wearing colorful masks and costumes. See, this person is man and he is wearing the costumes and colorful mask. This is called the Kathakali dance. It is from the Kerala state of Kerala. Now the fifth one, the Kuchipudi dance. This is called the Kuchipudi dance. Kuchipudi dance form has its origin in the state of Andhra Pradesh. It is named after a village named Kuchipudi where the dance form was born. Why this dance is called the Kuchipudi? Because of a village name is Kuchipudi. From there this dance was born. For that only this dance name is called the Kuchipudi. Now the sixth is the Manipuri dance. Form is from the northeastern state of Manipur in India. In India only Manipur, and for that it is called the Manipuri dance. It tells you stories of Radha and Krishna. You can watch that, the picture of Radha and Krishna. This dance name is Manipuri. Now, this lesson only, lesson 18 only, but page number 21. Here these are some few dances are there. This is full different parts of the world dance. The seventh one is ballet, is a form of dancing that began in Italy. See, this dance name is ballet and it is performed from the Italy. Now the eighth one, Salsa. You can see one boy and girl is dancing. This dance name is Salsa, is a dance form of the people of Cuba. The place name is Cuba. It is famous across the world. Now the ninth one, Flamenco, is a dance form of Spain. From the Spain. See, this girl is dancing so nicely, but this dance name is flamenco, and this dance is from the Spain. Now the 10th one, you can watch here also a girl and boy are dancing. The Voltas is a dance form that began in Vienna, Austria, from where this dance is from Austria, Voltage dance. Now the down in the world search, this is the puzzle. All these 10 dances names are there. You have to search from this puzzle box. All the dance name is there. One by one you can across or straight or across, all the dance names are here written. Please now the lesson 19, page number 22. Lesson 19, constellations. A constellation is a group of stars that forms a pattern in night sky. See here picture, you can see all the night time only we can see in the sky these many stars. So about this, Origin is a constellation that is very easy to spot. It is named after a hunter from Greek mythology. Now in B, what it is given? The name the following. Now like fill in the blanks, it is given. The star closest to the earth. Closest to the earth star name is Sun, S-U-N, Sun. The second one, the home of our solar system. Home of solar system, what name is there? Milky Way. M-I-L-K-Y, Milky, W-A-Y, Milky Way. Now third one, the star that always points north. The star, which star? Pole star. Always it points in north side only. So this star name is pole star. Now the fourth one, the brightest star in the night sky. This name is Sirius, S-I-R-I-U-S, Sirius. This is the brightest star in the night sky. And some names, these 4 names are given in the help box. By seeing here, children, please, the correct spellings you can write. I have told, still you can write the correct spellings. Now down in this page only, 22 only, sounds interesting. Now, one more question you can get from here. In India, the pole star is known as Dhruva Tara. This pole star name is, what name? Pole star. In third question it is given, no, north side, the pole star. That name, pole star name is Dhruva Tara. D-H-R-U-V, Dhruva, T-A-R-A, Dhruva Tara. Now, the lesson 21, page number 24. Lesson 21, musical tones. Here some pictures are given, children. Here 6 pictures are given. In the first picture, all the pictures, one person is holding a instrument, musical instrument, the different name musical instrument. The first one, this man is holding a instrument. This instrument name is Sarod, S-A-R-O-D, Sarod. The second one, this person is holding a instrument. This instrument name is sitar, S-I-T-A-R, sitar. Now, the third one, this person long, he is pumping blowing a instrument. This instrument name is Sehnai, Hehnai, Sehnai. And fourth one, you can see in the picture one man is sitting and many drums are there. And he is beating on drums. And this instrument name is drum. Drums, many are there, for that plural drums, drums, drums. Now, the fifth, this person is holding, we can see it is also like a drum only, but this is not drum. This instrument name is Pakhawaz, Pakhawaj, Pakhawaj. This person is doing playing with a Pakhawaj. Now the sixth picture, can you see a big one instrument? This instrument, front of that a person is sitting and doing this instrument name is piano, piano, piano. And now after 6, children, in this page only, page number 24 only, down sound interesting. Here from these lines, 3 lines are given. From there you can get some questions in the exam. First one, Tansen was a great musician in Emperor Akbar's, Emperor means king Akbar's time in court, means when he was in his court, that time magician name is Tansen. His means Tansen music was said to be so powerful that it could light lamps, means that his magician means Tansen music is so powerful. If he will do, then it could light lamp. Here one help box is given. Here also some words are given. The spellings here, from there you can watch. Now the page number 25, and the lesson is 22, page number 25. The children, you can watch each of these sentences has a mistake. Why mistake? It is said, here circle it and rewrite the word it is said. What it is said, rewrite the word. The first picture is, this child name is Rahul. Rahul's tooth is written. Tooth is wrong. For that it is circle, are strong and bright. But in the down where blank is given, there we have to write the teeth. Like this, the sentence have to write Rahul's teeth. In place of tooth, it should write teeth are strong and bright. Now the second picture is a family of our mouses lived in hole. But mouses, this is the plural word, but it shouldn't say the mouses, it is mistake. So in place of mouses, have to write the blank place mice, mice, and it is asked to rewrite the word. So in sentence you have to write a family of 4 mice. 4 number also given, mouses shouldn't write. mice, plural is mice, M-I-C-E, mice live in a hole. Now the third one, only a little fruits are left in my fridge. Little, it is circle, little is wrong, it is mistake in the sentence. Have to write in place of little should write few, F-E-W, few. The sentence is only a few, underline the word, no, few fruits are left in the fridge. Now, the fourth, all the women's, plural shouldn't write the women's. So it is wrong. All the women's wore pretty dresses for the party. In place of women's, we should write women, W-O-M-E-N, women. So in sentence when we will write, the fourth sentence we have to write, all the women wore pretty dresses for the party. Now the fifth one, Karim's sheep are grazing in the pasture. In sheep is wrong. In place of sheep, we should write the sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. And in the sentence, children, we have to write Karim's, here underline S-H-E-E-P, sheep are grazing in the pasture. Now, the sixth one, there are many peoples in the restaurant. With many, people shouldn't write. This is the mistake. In the sentence, it is mistake. In place of peoples, we should write people. That is the plural, people only we have to write. P-E-O-P-L-E, people. In the sentence, we have to write there are many people, underlined, people in the restaurant. Now the seventh one, the chef uses sharp knives to cut vegetables. Knives is the plural, but in plural the spelling is mistake. In place of N-I-F-E-S, we should write the K-N-I-V-E-S, knives. K is silent, knives, K-N-I-V-E-S. In sentence, we have to write the chef uses sharp knives, K-N-I-V-E-S, knives to cut the vegetables. Now the eighth one, there is no many water in the jar. Many we have to use when we are counting, but water cannot count, so it is the wrong. So we have to write in place of many, M-U-C-H, much. So in the sentence we have to write, there is not much water left in the jar. Much, M-U-C-H, much water in the jar. Now, the lesson number 23, popular games, page number 26. Lesson number 23, popular games. So, here only you can underline, it is underlined which is the red color words are there. Hockey is the national game of India. This hockey called the national game. Two teams try to hit the ball. Here two teams are there. They are hitting the ball. This is, see, hockey stick is there in their hand and it is the ball. This game is hockey game. The here, second, the tennis. TENNIS. Tennis is played by 2 or 4 players only with a racket and a ball. This is the racket. These are the racket and ball. With that, 2 persons or 4 persons only can play this game. Not too many players can play. The player or team that wins more sets of games in the winner. Now, let's add the third one. This game name is badminton. BADMINTON. Badminton is played by 2 or 4 players only. This game also. This is also bat, long bat and ball. Here also badminton also can play 2 or 4 players only can play with a racket and the shuttlecock. This is the shuttlecock, not the ball. Shuttlecock and bat. Players hit the shuttlecock with their rackets. And the fourth one, football. Football is the world's most popular sport. It is played by 2 teams. Many players will be there, but 2 teams, one side one team, other side another team. Played by 2 teams, the players try to kick the ball into the other team's goal. Till the ending, they are kicking so fast, though, till the ball should go the goal. Okay, now children, the lesson, and in this lesson only, page number 26 only, here down it is given a step further. Name a pair of famous siblings, children of same parents who play the same sport. Here, first one I am showing you a step further. Serena, SERENA, Serena and Venus. Venus Williams. They are playing the tennis. These children are same parents. Serena and Venus Williams playing the tennis. Now, second one, Shane, SHANE, Shane and Brett Lee, BRETT, Brett LEE, Brett Lee. They both are playing the cricket. CRICKET, cricket. What is the name? Shane and Brett Lee. The third one, Irfan and Yusuf Pathan are playing, those both also, they also playing the cricket only. Who? Irfan and Yusuf Pathan. Now, according to a step further, these 3 sentences are given in first, Serena and Venus William tennis, Shane and Brett Lee cricket, Irfan and Yusuf Pathan cricket. Now the children, students, the lesson 24 seasons and page number 27. Now on the top, what it is written? We wear different clothes and other items during the summer. For the summer, we have to mention the S, and monsoon we have to mention M, and for winter season we have to mention the W. Now, first line it is given, for example, only one letter we have to write. See, the first picture is given. This is a summer. So in the bracket it is given S. The second picture is monsoon. So in the bracket it is given M. The third picture is winter. So in the bracket it is given W. Like that only. Now about A picture, can you see, children? In the A picture, this is the sweater. So what we are using? We have to, this is the, when we are using in winter, for that this is used the W. And the B also, this also we are wearing when in season the W, winter only, for that in the box we have to write the W. The C picture, when we are wearing the gum boots, these are when raining, monsoon, so M should mention. The D picture is hat, when we are wearing summertime, hot sun, we shouldn't hit the our head. So S we have to mention in D picture. Picture D. Now the E picture, this is muffler. In E picture, muffler also we are using when winter. So W we have to mention. Now F picture, F, this is garment, cotton garment, cotton cloth. So when we are wearing in summer, S we have to mention. Now G picture, this is the umbrella. Umbrella we are using mostly. We are using monsoon, in rainy time, monsoon. So M have to mention. Now H picture, this is also cotton cloth, prepared cotton. This is also summer. S have to mention. Now I picture, this is the gloves, when winter only we are using for our hands. For that it should be W have to mention. Now J picture, J, these are the specs, goggles. Goggles we are using for heat sun. So summer only we are using. Now K picture, half pant. Okay. So this also K picture we are mostly using the summer. For that have to mention the S. Now L picture, we can see the full coat. Cold time we are wearing full covering. So head and full body. This is winter only using. So in by this picture W we have to write. Now the next lesson is fun with animals. Here page number is 28. Here serially surrounding pictures are given. First from lion I am using. Left side, the first picture is lion, Lion. The second picture is horse, HORSE, horse. Third picture is deer, DEER, deer. Fourth picture is penguin. Here PENGUIN, penguin. Fifth picture is giraffe, GIRAFFE, giraffe. Sixth picture is rabbit, RABBIT, rabbit. Seventh picture is whale, WHALE, whale. Eighth picture is octopus, OCTOPUS, octopus. Ninth picture is sheep, SHEEP, sheep. 10th picture is ostrich, OSTRICH, ostrich. 11th picture is tiger, TIGAR, tiger. 12th picture is dolphin, DOLPHIN. 13th picture is scorpion, SCORPION, scorpion. 14th picture is camel, CAMEL, camel. 15th picture is elephant. Everyone know elephant, ELEPHANT, elephant. Here puzzle is given. You have to choose. This picture name is given. From here only you have to choose the puzzle pictures. Okay, puzzle, in the puzzle these picture names, these animals names. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, children.